look, tiny mould. Let me zoom you in. Right, this was from Into Resin. They do a handmade version and a regular version of this, probably both just as beautiful, but they offered to send me one and I said, can I have the handmade one? Because we all love handmade, don't we? Now, I have used it once. I'll let you into a little secret. That is why I'm just currently picking little bits of resin off the outer side edges of this little mould. Now, have a close look at this. Are you seeing all that sparkle? Shall we try it? Now, spoiler alert, as I said, I have already tried it. And then I realised that the film I'd done of it wasn't very good. So, join me and we will film it again. I am just going to put clear in here. That's where I went wrong last time. I put a colour in. I got carried away. Really, to test this mould out and see that shine without any other sort of influence, I thought we just want clear. So let's do it. Right, just going to mix up some resin in one of my little pots. This is my usual Apex high gloss. It's a 1-to-1. This mould I know doesn't take very much, so this little shot glass full should be enough. I know we zoomed right in, but I want you to see this up close. Is it making your eyes bleed? I'm sorry. Now, the reason I wanted you to see it up close is just because it's a tiny little mould and it's beautiful. I don't know what I'm going to do with the things that come out of this mould even. I'm wondering about making a crystally sparkly little pot. And putting it on the top. To be very girly, can we make a false crystal pot? I don't know. We could try. Or it'd be a hell of a brooch or a pendant or something, but yeah. So I'm going to come up with some ideas for it, but today's purpose is really just to show you the actual mould. Okay, as usual, I've stirred way too fast. This is one of those do like I say, not like I do things. If you don't stir too fast, you don't get a load of bubbles. Also, I have got a airless machine for getting bubbles out. But to be honest, this particular resin degasses so very well. I'm not at all concerned. And I'm going to just do a little bit of this. Then a little bit of this. Just to try to make sure there's no little bubbles stuck to the mould. Isn't it a pretty little mould? They've put a bit of colour in with the silicone. It feels, although it's a lovely soft resin, it feels quite substantial. It's a chunky little mould. So, yeah, I'm impressed. I am actually going to be buying some more of these, unless they decide to just send me some. They just sent me this one to try, which is rather wonderful. I've got a few things in my shopping basket, I think, or at least on a list of where to get from. So as I get more moulds from these guys, I will keep you posted, because whether I have to buy them or whether they're kind enough to send me some to show you, then I will be getting more. Trust me, you're going to like this when it comes out. I'll see you for the demould. Right, who's excited then? I couldn't wait and ended up sticking it in a curing machine. Anyway, I know I've let it cool down. Let's see what we've got. For such an intricate shape, it's coming loose very easily. Okay, are we ready for this? Oh my goodness. Now that is, now look, I don't know why I'm acting surprised. I made this one a couple of days ago. That's those who are in on my live video will have seen that. I think I demoulded it while I was with you. Anyway, look at that. They're quite big. I think they make a brooch or something, maybe. I don't know. But woo. Now, picture this if you put something holographic on the back. Can you see how it's got crystally tips that are showing? That's what's highlighting the edges. All of these are all crystally too, which is why you're getting this sort of almost like a shaded effect, so that you can really see the shape. And I think I did get some little bubbles trapped in that one. Did I in this one? No, maybe that's intentional. That just highlights the shape. I can do it without getting the bubbles. Or is that intentional? I don't know. It's a very nice effect, whatever it is. Anyway, you just know I'm going to have a go at putting a holographic back on these at some point. Right. I hope you're as excited about this little mould as I am. Let's zoom you back out because that's a bit going to make your eyes bleed, isn't it? Yeah, I hope you're as excited about this little mould as me. It's beautiful. It's from Into Resin. I think I've got a discount. Yes, I have. I've got a discount code for these guys. I'll put the link down below for you, so grab yourself a discount. But judging by the look of these, I think we're going to have a field day, don't you? I am certainly going to be, well, I don't know, I could be cheeky. They might send me some more mould, I don't know. Well, even if they don't, I'm going to be getting some shopping in there because those are just, they're just stunning. I still don't know what I'm going to do with them, but they're lovely. Suggestions, please, people. I mean, they'll make fantastic things like handbag dangles. Or key rings or something like that, but there's got to be something more glamorous to do with them than that. I'm thinking combining them with some of my other crystals and making some sort of, like I said earlier, a crystally pot or something. I don't know, but look at that. Fantastic. Right, if you've liked this video then, people, you know what to do. Crafty gang, go click some buttons and things down here. There's the subscribe button, there's the like for the little thumbs up for me, that would be marvellous. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of this beautiful little mould, and have you tried any more of the Into Resin brand moulds and things? Let me know how you get on. It's a brand I've not, although I've had the discount code for them for a while, I've not really tried their products a great deal. So I think this might be my first. I'm pretty sure it is. And I'm darned impressed. Let me know what you think, and also chuck me some ideas. How big are these? Maybe 2 inches, maybe? So what's that? About 6.5 centimetres, getting on for 6 centimetres, something like that. You know me and maths. Anyway, let me know what you think. Give me some ideas, and I will give some things a try. I'll see you for the next video, everyone. Bye.